Greetings to all. Today we will conduct a deep dive analysis into internal architecture of the legendary IC741 operational amplifier. We will look at how its resistance and transistors are organized to achieve high gain stability. Let's begin. The IC741 is composed of 5 main functional blocks. The first one is differential input stages, the biasing circuit, and the intermediate gain stages, frequency compensation stages, and the final is output stages. Let's explore each one. Starting at the front end of transistor Q1 to Q4 form the differential input stages. This is the responsible for amplifying the difference between input signals while providing the high input impedance the operational amplifier or FAMS. So precision is critical because of manufacturing difference. Sometimes we need to calibrate IC by connecting 5 kilo ohm potentiometer between the pin 1 and 5. We can eliminate any unwanted DC offsets and ensure the output is exactly 0 when input is 0. So next one is biasing and stability. Behind this scene, the biasing block include the transistor Q8 and Q9 and Q10 maintains a constant internal current to this ensure the amplifier stages thermally stable regardless of temperature changes. So next is intermediate gain stages. This is the core amplifier. It is provide massive open loop voltage gain up to 2 lakh by converting differential signals into single-ended high voltage output. So next one is to prevent the unwanted frequency compensations. To prevent the unwanted oscillations or instability, the IC741 includes a built-in 30 biofarad capacitor. This frequency compensations network ensure they amplify the remaining stables across its entire operating ranges. The next one is class AB output stages. The final stages uses as a class AB push-pull configurations with transistor Q40 and Q20. This allows the IC to drive external loads directly with a very low output impedance. So technical specifications. Here the standard 8-pin configuration. Note that pin 7 is positive supply and 4 is your negative supply. Always remember that correct power connections is first step to successful operations. Let's trace the signals flow. It enters through the differential stages, passes through the high gain intermediate stages, gets stability by the compensation network, and finally reach pin 6 via output stages. In summary, the IC741 delivers exponential performance through the high input impedance, massive voltage gain, and built-in stability. It remains the gold stand for analog electronics educations. That brings us the end of our lecture today. Thank you for your attention.